So we're going to take a look now at listing terms of an infinite sequence. And that just means that there's no cap on the natural number set. In other words, it just goes to infinity. So they have to tell us how many to list, right? Because we cannot list the complete sequence because it goes to infinity. So it says to list the first four. So we'll do that. Oops, there we go. So the first four terms. So I'm going to go ahead and just let n be 1, right? That's the first of the natural number set. So I have a sub 1 is equal to negative 1. 1 minus 1. I just always go through and put a 1 everywhere I see an n. So this negative 1 at the top, you're going to find out is actually going to cause the sequence to have alternating signs. So there's that. So now anything to the 0 power is 1, so I have 1/5. So there's the first term of my sequence. Let's go to add some variety and color here. So n is 2, right? So I'm going to place, that's part of the formula, it's not going to change. The 2 minus 1 does, though. And I have a 5 times a 2. So that negative 1 now is getting raised to the 1 power, to the first power, and so it's going to stay a negative, and there we have negative 1/10. Okay, so now for n is 3, a sub 3, there's a negative 1, 3 minus 1, 5 times 3. Again, we're placing the n into the formula just like we did in the previous video. Okay, so negative 1 squared is positive, and so there's that. Notice the alternating signs, and one last one. For n is 4, we're going to have a sub 4. And there we go. We have negative 1 to the third power over 20. So we have negative 1/20. Alright, so there are our terms of this infinite sequence. Thanks for watching.